So in the case that you got a SIM card from us, from a different provider that requires an APN to log in, I'll go ahead and show that process. You go ahead and insert your new SIM card and click it into the ARC3 Pro. Then you go ahead and start the device. We're going to go to our devices, and then we're going to click the triple dots and click the APN configuration. Then we're going to click on our remote controller and make sure that we're connected to the Wi-Fi. It's going to bring up this dialog, and again, make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi, to the ARC3 Pro. And then you're going to want to put in IoT, the APN settings. In this case, it's iot.aer.net. Click Submit, and then you're configured. That's all you have to do on the app side. Now, your device, when it's finally online, will go ahead and turn green when it's connected to the internet and connected to the server. This means that you've properly set your APN settings.